Okay, children, see page number 25, activity time. The first one, tick the correct option. Section A, tick the correct option. First question is, a pictorial representation of data on Excel worksheet is called graph. Sorry children, not graph, chart. Chart. A pictorial representation of data on Excel worksheet is called chart. Okay. Next, it refers to the set of data values that are plotted in a chart. Those are data series. Next, which of the following charts plot the data series rings? Data series has rings. Donut chart. Okay. Next, which tab has the option to move chart to a different sheet? Design tab. Next, under which tab will you find ready-made chart styles? Design tab. Next, see children, fill in the blanks. Charts provide more accurate analysis of information. Next, second blank. Dash is the area containing the chart axis and grid lines. Plot area. Next, third blank. A chart is similar to the pie chart except that it can be used to plot more than one data series. Donut chart. Next, fourth one, dash allows you to add the titles along the x-axis and y-axis. Axis titles. Next, dat identifies the data series. A unique color or pattern is assigned to each data series to make it easier to distinguish them visually. Data value. Okay. Next, see question and answers. What is first question? What do you mean by chart? List some advantages of chart. For this question, answer is see page number 15. From first onwards, we can create, is there no? From here onwards, full it is updated automatically with the change in data. Up to here you should write. After that, advantages of chart you search in Google. Okay, and write any 3 or 5 advantages you write. Okay, this is chart definition. After that, you put side heading advantages of chart and you write by your own or search in net in mobile and write any 4 or 5 advantages. Okay children, so this is first question answer. Next, see what is second question. What is the use of grid lines and data markers in a chart? Okay, for this question answer, see page number 16. Here is no grid lines. Page number 16. Components of a chart is there no? In that there is that grid lines. From here onwards, grid lines full paragraph and data marker that full paragraph up to represent a value in a chart. Okay children, this is second question answer. Next, what is third question? What is the difference between bar chart and column chart? For this question, see page number 16, bottom of the page. Here is there no column chart. From here onwards to page number 17. See here. Is there no? We find column chart quite handy when the height of individual points is more important than the series trend. Up to here. After that there only not completed. Just we write we marked those there only column chart, and we have to write about bar chart also, no? Then see here page number 17 bottom, bar chart is there, no? From here onwards to horizontal axis. So what is the third question answer? Page number 16, from column chart onwards to in page number 17, then the series trend, and here bar chart onwards to horizontal axis. Okay, next, what steps should you fourth question children, What steps should be followed to insert charts in Excel? So what are the steps to create a chart? That is the question. For these children, see page number 19. Here is there, no? Let us create. Creating a chart side heading is there, no? In there, second paragraph, from here onward, second paragraph, second line. Let us create a chart using the data given in worksheet shown in figure. From here onwards to, in the first point you should write up to here chart. Enough. First point only you should write up to here. But the question answer is from starting here onwards to page number 20, you see. Third point ending. The chart size can be altered by dragging its corners. The white background can also be dragged if we want to move the chart to another part of the worksheet up to here. Okay, children. So this is about the creation of chart steps. Next, how can axis titles be added in a chart? For this one, see children, page number 21. Axis titles is there, no? From here onwards to here, full page number 22 is there, no? Page number 22, fourth point. Type the text in the axis title box. After typing the title, click outside the chart. Up to here. Okay, what is the fifth question answer? Page number 21, axis titles from here onwards to page number 22 up to fourth point. Okay, this is the fifth question answer. This is about the question and answers. Next, see hearts. Rohan has created a chart. He wants to improve the appearance of his chart by changing the background color of its plot area. Which option will you suggest to him to perform this task? So which option we will suggest to change the background color? Here is there, no? See. This will set the, see, click the, this is hearts answer, children. Click the chart to select it. Now click shape fill. It is in the shape style group. Pick a color from the drop down color palette. This will this will set the background color for the chart. Fill the chart background with yellow color. So from here, not here. Click on the chart title. Okay, from here onwards you write. Okay. Next. This lab work we will see in school. But if you are having anybody computer at your home, computer or laptop, you can type this table in Excel and create a chart. Here create a chart in MS Excel of the data given below. Any type of chart you can create, bar chart, column chart. I showed now how to create, and this chart also you can create if you are having a computer or laptop at your home. Otherwise you leave it. We will see if we open the schools. Okay. Next, discussion time. Discuss in the class how pictorial representation of data is helpful and why charts are important. This is nothing but of advantages of charts. First question answer is there, no? That only, so no need to write. Just you leave this one, and lab work and discussion time no need to write. Okay, so how you have to write notes now, children? First, keep the heading, second lesson. After that, write this multiple choice question and answers. Next, write fill in the blanks. Next, write question and answers. Next, write hearts. Hearts also I marked now here. Hearts you have to write here onwards to here. But before writing this, you have to write this step also. Hearts. What is that? Under the tab format, there are commands for formatting number and text of the chart. First you write this point. After that you write from here onwards to here. This is the heart's answer. Okay children. So this is the notes of this second lesson. This is your homework. Complete these notes for next week. We will start a third lesson in next class. Okay. Advanced features of MS Excel. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.